Gabe Rios here, Chicago's most patient golf coach, coming to you from Gabe Rios Golf in downtown Chicago. I wanted to thank you for all the responses to the Super Short Golfer Survey sent out recently, where I asked you what was the biggest thing you wanted to accomplish in 2015. And you said to be more consistent. Tuesday I sent out a video talking about a pre-shot routine called GASP. And today we're going to get a little bit more in depth and do it live in the studio. I was taught GASP as a young kid by Jerry Vidovic, and it's definitely helped me be more consistent with my game throughout my career. If you don't have a pre-shot routine, this is a perfect time to implement this one. If you already have one, see how mine differs? Maybe it'll help. I'm looking forward to other videos I'm going to be sending you in regards to the number 2 response of the survey, which was to shoot lower scores. Whether it's breaking 100, 90, there was a couple more lowering your handicap from 25 to 18. Lowering scores is a big deal when it comes to playing better golf. Right now we're talking about consistency. Soon we'll talk about lower scores. Also, don't forget to set your calendar for October 7th, 3:33 p.m. for my big announcement. But for now, let's get back to GASP. Alright, when it comes to GASP, the first part is grip. Most of the slicers that I see in the shop here come in with a grip where the club is more in the palm of the hand, and you can see these top 4 fingers. These top 4 fingers are classic to slicers because it's very difficult to close the club face with your hand in this position. But this is exactly how you would do anything else. Shake hands, catch something, pull out a drawer. You put the golf club in your hand and now you're a slicer. So what do? It's very simple. Here's the first part of GASP. You're going to grip the club in the air, not down on the ground, but up in the air. You're going to place it more on your fingertips. You're going to have a big part of your left hand still there to reach all the way over to the right. You don't want to see those fingers. Same example, we don't see these fingers from earlier. Very easy to close the club face. Very easy to prevent a slice when your hand is on the club correctly. No guarantees, you can still get stuck on it, but like this, very hard to close the club face. Alright, here we go. We've got the grip. Seeing 2 knuckles. On a bad day, let's check that 3rd knuckle out on a bad day. Alright. We've got grip. We're going to take a step in and we're going to go for aim. A. Aim the club face at the target. Looking at the bottom of the club, the leading edge. Oftentimes it's just the bottom line on the club face, or the last line is often painted white. That's the bottom mark that you're looking at, and you're going to point that right at the target. Some would say perpendicular, but it doesn't have to be rocket science here. Just get this going. From there, we've already got a nice little stance going on, bending from the hips. Put those feet underneath you, bending from the waist. This is going to allow you to get to the golf ball. So many people bend from the knees and can't hit the ball because they're not bent forward enough. Grip, aim, stance. The final part is posture. Move around a little bit. Take a look at the target. Keep moving. If you freeze, it's very difficult to hit a good shot. Alright, I've got it here. Grip, aim, stance, posture. Here we go. I'm picturing a shot. It felt good. What does the machine say? Alright. Right on the green from 190 yards. I'm a consistent iron player, and I owe it mostly to Jerry Vidovic and being taught GASP. Grip, aim, stance, posture. You can do it too. You now have this video that you can look back to and say, alright, I saw how Gabe did it. I'm going to make it my own, but I'm going to institute those fundamentals, and you're going to be a more consistent golfer. Can't wait to send these other videos to you, working on lowering your scores, and a couple other things that I saw from the survey that I want to touch upon. And of course, the big announcement on October 7th at 3:33 p.m. Check your emails. Until then, hit 'em good. Hit 'em straight.